So let's dive in and use the whites and neutrals overlays on this gorgeous maternity image here. One of my clients, I absolutely adored creating this shot. And let's add some florals to make it look even more beautiful. I'm going to be using the actions to apply, but you can apply by hand. This is not the main tutorial. The main tutorial that shows you how to extract the files, get working with them, what every action does is video number 1 on the LSB Actions tutorial site. You go to the website, video tutorial library, overlays, botanicals, and then you can find the correct installation guides there. I'm just going to dive in straight away with the actions already loaded and the florals already downloaded. I'm going to click apply floral. You can drag and drop if you wanted to. I have the white neutral Boho Botanical Overlays loaded up. So let's see which one we're going to add to this image. How about we add the white blossom branch scene here. And these whites, they're not just for white background images, you know, you can use these for all kind of images. Really beautiful in the studio, you can also use them for outdoor. So we've just added it in, dragged and dropped, everything's there, transparency, all the natural blurring and sharpness is already done for you. Now I feel on this image they potentially look a little dark, a little bright. Now you might be absolutely more than happy with this. I'd say a majority, 90% of these that you drop in, you're just going to be straight away happy. But if you want to tweak them a little bit more, the actions are there to help you do that. So I'm going to hit the darken down action. I've just hit it once on the opacity. I can slide it up a little bit to make it stronger. And you can just darken them a touch. I'm also going to cool them down. I hit tone cooler. And perfect. And I think now they really blend with the image. You can hit these more than once or slide the opacity. I'm just going to play it more than once. I'm going to grab a black brush, a really big one, because I'm going to paint this off the top flowers. I only wanted it to be affecting the bottom flowers. And we're done. Before and after. And that's just adding one. That's the LSB white blossom branch scene, which is in the whites and neutrals pack. Just added it, dragged and dropped. A super 2-minute tutorial there. You can click on the website, go to the entire video library, you'll see tons of tutorials showing you all different methods and things that you can do. I hope you love these, using these as much as I enjoyed creating them, and I'd love to see what you can do. Please post in the LSB Actions editing group on Facebook so I can see your work, because I'd really love to. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.